All right, guys, we are making some salmon today. So I have Ralph here with me.
Pretty much burned it with this honey mustard.
Honey mustard.
Yeah, I got the honey mustard, and then throwing some of this Kinder salt, pepper, and garlic. One of the good ones. But this is one of my favorites. This is called the cowboy butter with Dijon butter and chili. That one's really good. And then we just topped it off with the slap your mama. That sounds funny. Don't do that, you guys.
This is just seasoning, right?
Just the seasoning.
Yeah. And we got, what's this?
We're recording.
So we got
Okay.
salmon. We are preheating some pellet grill.
All right, and I think we're ready. Go ahead and take a look at these bad boys, because I'm ready to take them out and eat it. Let's put these some potatoes so you guys can see it in the light.
You know, we didn't cook this just for ourselves, but nobody's watching it.
It's only right you be the tester. You gotta make sure it's safe for everybody to eat.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Is that good?
Whatever you use for it, it's really good.
Alright. So now it's my turn to try it. We just have to make sure it's safe before we feed it to everybody, right?
That's right.
And then we just make sure it's safe, double safe, right? Better be safe than sorry, right? Oh my gosh. That Atlantic salmon with all the garlic and butter chili on there is pretty good. And then you got the cake on slap your mama on there. I think it's ready to go.
Should we put in there, make it nice for them?
There you go, I think that one will be ours, and then we'll give this one to the family.
Right.
Pretty good.